Hey guys, Adam here from Well Woven. In this video, I wanted to share with you a new collection we're introducing for summer 2024. It's our Callum Collection. What's really interesting about this is the combination of these sort of earthy tones. You can see here we have some dark beiges, dark creams. We have a light moss green going through it, a very natural organic feel to it, a very subtle high and low texture to it, which gives it a really fine heirloom quality to it. We have some pieces more all over prints to this more larger all over floral prints. Very, very dense hand. And also what makes it special is it uses a couple different types of microfiber polyester, which gives it a bit of text, visual interest, different textures. The colors in here, or the yarns rather, feature spaced out yarns, really detailed, very much an heirloom, hand-woven look and feel at a great value. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. These are coming summer 2024. I'm really excited to be able to present them to you guys. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.